Welcome to your speaking test. Your
Yes.
examiner name is Mohammad Shamim. Your roll on 0726. What's your name?
My full name is Abdul Quddus, but my family member and friend love to call me Abdul. You can call me Abdul.
What is the spelling of your name?
My name is spelling ABDULKUDDUS. Abdul Quddus.
Sir, where are you from?
I am from Munshiganj, who is the most beautiful and economical district of Bangladesh. It is nearby in Dhaka city. It is famous for many reasons, but most of the famous for potato garden in Munshiganj.
What is your future plan?
My future plan is I start my small business, then I try day by day improve.
Okay. Please, can you say something? What is the advantage or disadvantage in Dhaka city?
Dhaka city is advantage. First time I say advantage. Yeah, there are a lot of institute and there are a lot of university, Dhaka University, Buet University, and Surabhi Hospital. There are a lot of good hospital in Dhaka city because Dhaka city is capital of Bangladesh. There are a lot of Islamic institute in Dhaka city. Then a good advantage are bad advantages in Dhaka city. I face most of the time a traffic jam and sound pollution and bio pollution. Not a problem in Dhaka city, but every people come here because it is capital of Bangladesh and lot of money in that city.
Sir, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is white. I try to maximum time use white because it should be.
What's your favorite place?
My favorite place in my village because I have a lot of memory in my village. I spend my childhood time in my village. I hang out with my friend and I swimming in my friend. It is very memorable moment. So on.
Where are you live in Dhaka city?
I live in Dhaka at Mirpur Avenue 5 area.
Please, can you say something about this place?
Yeah. This place is a very historical place. It's Buddhijimi Kabristan. There are a lot of freedom fighter in Kobaret. This place, a lot of students came here outdoor class. Then I outdoor class attend this place.
Okay, sir, thank you very much. Your speaking test is very well. I am very impressed to see watch your speaking test. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good luck.
Thank you, sir. I
Have a
talk to you.
best of luck. I
Yes,
pray
sir.
for you.
Yeah.